Hey everyone, welcome back. Just gonna take a slow walk up through Benidorm's Old Town now. But before I do start, I just want to show you some of the architecture. So we've got me Lord's Hotel there, Lord's Hotel Suites, nice little balconies. Then of course a sort of apartment block up above the Euro shop. Gonna just take a walk up through the Old Town now. Slightly quieter than usual because of course it is probably siesta time. And of course Pride celebrations are now over. What I love about Old Town is all What I love about Old Town is all the different alleyways going off all over the place with different cafes, bars and shops. Not the people who do come to Benidorm, they are afraid of going to the Old Town because I think people just mainly like going to drink on end. Then they just kind of tear Benidorm apart really. Candylicious there had a bit of a paint job on the walls done. Sabora España there, traditional Spanish sweet shop. And one of the popular restaurants here in Benidorm. Now, one thing I will say, I haven't tried it yet, but rumour has it some of the best Valencian paella or seafood paella is found here in Benidorm. Yet to try that. Of course, the New Zealand there as well. And just walking further into Old Town. Of course, tons of shops around here, guys. So if you are wanting to have some shopping time, you can always tend to get what you want. Tons of gift shops as well, if you're not really wanting to spend too much money. Of course, the Plaza Mayor shopping centre there, that's got plenty more shops. And this thing, Iris Galleria, takes a picture of your iris, basically, the inside of your eye, in other words. The weirdest thing in Benidorm that probably, I don't know what sort of souvenir that would be, but still I take it. There are people who would want to do something like that because it's still there. It's quite popular as well, unbelievably. Of course, if you are wanting to spend a bit of money, we do have some better shops like your jewellery shops. Or for sort of cheaper jewellery, this little place here always a good place to go. And of course, straight ahead, the beautiful poster that overlooks Benidorm Old Town above Old Hop. We love Benidorm. I think everything that everyone does, guys. And people who don't love Benidorm, avoid and never been, or they're just too scared to go the Old Town. You find that a lot, guys. A lot of people just go to Rincon and go home, complain about Benidorm, say it's the worst place ever, then end the story. Gin and tonic street down there if you like your gin. There's a better look at the poster, hopefully. And another popular cafeteria. And of course, this bit is probably one of the bits most people will know. The main walk through town, straight down to the fantasy front. Of course, plenty more cafes and shops lining the streets, guys. And of course, the nice cobblestone streets. Now, the time Old Town really does come alive is during the festivals. Of course, some of them being the Muslim Christians, the Peñas, etc. That's when Old Town really truly comes alive. And you got this place, the Amazon return shop, as we like to call it. Let's see what I got in. Few things. Knife and tool sharpener kit. Wonder how many parts that's missing. Trying to see how long I've done now. About on time. So guys, hope you enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to go show some support to my dad, Benidorm Mike. And as always, I'll see you next time.